Hola, I am Ebin. Welcome to Ebin's Explore Bharat YouTube channel. Mamallapuram or Mahabalipuram is a town in Chengalpattu district of Tamil Nadu, India. It is situated along the banks of Bay of Bengal. It is well known for its UNESCO World Heritage Site of 7th and 8th century Hindu group of monuments at Mamallapuram. This town is also called as Mamallapattanam, which is one of the two major port cities by the 7th and 8th century within the Pallava kingdom. The town was named after the Pallava king Narasimhavarman I, who was also known as Mahamalla. It is the site of both economic prosperity and group of royal monuments dated at 7th and 8th century. It includes the Rathas, temple in the form of chariot, mandabas, cave sanctuaries, and the giant open air rock relief, the descent of the Ganges, and the shore temple. The shore temple is dedicated to the Lord Shiva, Lord Vishnu, Durga, Lord Krishna. It is believed that one of the temple in shore which was sunk into the sea because of tsunami is dedicated to the Jesus Christ. It is dedicated to Jesus Christ on the advice of Chinese merchant. The contemporary town was established by British in 1827. Another name of Mamallapuram, which has been known to mariners since Marco Polo's time, is Seven Pagodas. It alluding the seven pagodas in shores, which one is shore temple that survives. In Mamallapuram, Chinese coins and Roman coins of Theodosius I in the 4th century were found. That reveals the Mamallapuram port as an active hub of global trade in the late classical period. Along with that, two coins of Pallavas bearing legends Sri Hari and Sri Nidhi have been found. It is ruled from the Kanchipuram, the capital of Pallava kingdom, from the 3rd to 9th century. It serves to be port for trade to Sri Lanka and Southeast Asia and some Western countries. The architecture of Mahabalipuram is old Dravidian architecture. The site has 40 monuments and Hindu temples, and some important structures are The descent of Ganges or Arjuna Penance, one of the largest open air rock relief in the world. Pancharathas or five chariots, which is built at 6th century, the five monolithic pyramid structures named after the Pandavas, whose names are Arjuna, Bhima, Yudhishthira, Nakula and Sagadeva, and Draupadi. Each of these is carved from the single separate large piece of stone. Mandabas are cave temples, over 10 rock temples dating back to 7th century, including Varaha, Adivaraha, Krishna, Mahasasuramardini, Ramanuja, Shiva, and others. The cave temple and monolithic temples are managed by the Archaeological Survey of India. Hope you all enjoyed and learned something in this video. If you liked this content, please do like the video, share the video and subscribe to Abin's Explore Bharat YouTube channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon to get the notification.